Three.
Ladies and gentlemen, big up all the man them who take care of them daughters and them son. Wonder Boy say happy Father's Day to all the gentlemen them. So this is what Wonder Boy cooking for his Father's Day. Come and look at it. This is my manish water. Look at it. And this is my rice and peas I'm cooking right here. And ladies and gentlemen, look at this. This is my jerk pork, wild pig. Look at it. Beautiful. You want to see something, ladies and gentlemen? Come on here. This is going to be wicked. Take a look at my jerk chicken. All I do, ladies and gentlemen, I throw 2 pieces of stick in there. Look at this color. It's both smoking and it's so nice. Look at it. You see the colors at it, ladies and gentlemen? That jerk chicken gonna be wicked. Look at it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm here, man.
See? This is the real jerk chicken, ladies and gentlemen. This is no joke. So I want you to like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Big up Wonder Boy and all the men's them. Happy Father's Day to you all.
Okay.
Big up Wonder Boy.